Chapter 1, Lesson 5, Graph Ratio Tables. Our content and language target today. Content, students will understand that rates can be examined using a rate table and graphed using a coordinate plane. Our language target, students will demonstrate their understanding of rates by using tables to find the unit rates and graph those points on a coordinate plane to see the difference in growth. So our graph ordered pairs. You can use an ordered pair to name any point on the coordinate plane. The first number in your ordered pair is the x-coordinate. The second number is the y-coordinate. So please remember that the x-coordinate goes left and right. Positives are to the right, negatives are to the left. The y-coordinate goes vertical, it goes up and down. Where your positive numbers are at the top, your negative numbers are at the bottom. Remember that your x value always is first. Your y value is always second. You can express information in the table as you set of ordered pairs. To see patterns, graph the ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. So let's look at example number 1. It says the table shows the cost in dollars to create CDs of digital photos at a photo shop. The table also shows this information as ordered pairs as number of CDs to cost in dollars. So number of CDs is my X value, cost in dollars is my Y. X is always first. So when we look, there's one CD. It costs $3 to make, so the ordered pair is 1, 3. 2 CDs would cost $6, so that would be 2 to 6. And 3 would be $9 and 3 to 9. So notice that we are multiplying by 3 each time. So to graph this, I use my ordered pairs of 1, 3. I start at 0, I go over to 1, up 3. Next one is 2, 6. I go start at 0, I go over 2 to the right and 6 up. And the last one is 3, 9. So again, I start at 0, I go over to 3 to the right and up to 9. So if we have to describe the pattern, what's the pattern doing? Well, it's increasing by $3 for every one CD. So that's why we got the $3 here. It increases by $3 each time for every one CD. So here we'll look at example 2. It says, and the table shows Gloria's earnings for 1, 2, and 3 hours. The table also lists its information as ordered pairs of hours to earnings. Hours, X value, earnings, Y. Graph the ordered pair and describe the pattern in the graph. So for 1 hour, she makes $5. So my ordered pair would be 1, 5, X, Y. If she works 2 hours, she gets paid $10. So that's 2, 10. And if she works 3 hours, she gets $15. So that's 3, 15. So I go to my graph. I start at 0. I go over 1 to the right, and I go up 5. Over 1 to the right, up 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I noticed that they're counting by 2s. So I got to count 2, 4, and 5 is halfway in between. I look at 2 and 10. So it tells me I start at 0. I go 2 to the right because it's positive, and up 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the last one is 3, 15. I start at 0. I go over 3 to the right and up to 15. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 15 is right in the middle. So to describe the graph. So for every 1 hour, she makes $5. That's the increase of your graph. For every 1 hour she works, she makes $5. And our last example says 2 friends are each saving money in their bank accounts. Marcus saves $10 each week while David saves $15 each week. We have to graph their data together. So we have Marcus. Marcus, it says that he saves $10 each week. So in 1 week, how much would he have saved? That would be $10. In 2 weeks, well, 2 times 10 is 20. In 3 weeks, 3 times 10 would be 30. And in 4 weeks, 4 times 10, he would have $40 saved. So then I write my ordered pair. So I have 1 to 10. I have 2 to 20. I have 3 to 30. And I have 4 to 40. So if I graph his in red, start at 0, I go over 1, up to 10. Start at 0, over 2, up to 20. Start at 0, over 3, up to 30. Start at 0, over to 4, up to 40. And that's Marcus. I'll change color here so we can see what David's looks like. David's, it says, he's going to save $15 a week. So in 1 week, he would save $15. In 2 weeks, 2 times 15 would be 30. 3 times 15 would be 45. And 4 times 15 would be 60. So we have to graph his ordered pairs as well. So I have 1 week is $15. 2 weeks is $30. 3 weeks, 45. And 4 weeks is 60. So again, I start at 0. I go over 1, up to 15. That's about halfway there. Start at 0, over to 2, up to 30. Start at 0, over to 3, up to 45. And start at 0, over to 4, up to 60.